welcome to the home of cookbook recipes. This is the channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks, and I am your girl Carol. Today we are trying out a recipe from Creative in My Kitchen by Claudia. We have cooked a couple of recipes from that particular website. We have cooked from her cookbooks. She has 2 cookbooks already, and today we want to try out a recipe that is from our website. This is a perfect recipe for meal prep. That's what the recipe says. I've not tried out the recipe, so I'm just giving you a hint of what the recipe says. It's perfect for someone who's looking to meal prep for breakfast, because this particular recipe you can store it in the freezer for longer. So what are we cooking today? Today, guys, we are going to make protein-packed egg muffins. They are quick and a healthy breakfast. That's what the recipe says. Let me show you a photo. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, that's what we'll try and make today. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Karibu sana. Let me show you what we are working with so that we can begin. I've already started preheating my oven, so let's see the ingredients. Well, yeah, there are many. They're not few. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think they're around 16 if I didn't miss anything. So let's see. I told you guys we have a lot of things. So yes, where will I begin? I have some onions and some scallion. The recipe says you can use, the recipe recommends spring garlic, but I don't have spring garlic, or you can use garlic clove. So this is onion and some scallions. I have some mushrooms. The recipe recommends we use a mixture of dried mushrooms. I don't have, so I'm using fresh mushrooms. That's a substitute that is written there. Yes, I have some prosciutto. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. This is prosciutto. I have some salami. I have some black pepper. I have some salt, and I have some sweet paprika. This is some asparagus. I have eggs in this bowl, and this is some nutmeg. Parmigiano Reggiano. What is left? Yes, I have some chives. I have some parsley. Yes, some hemp seeds. Let me bring them. Some hemp seeds, they are over here. I will use the required quantity. I'm not going to use the whole thing, guys, but as usual, don't forget, check the recipe to get exact measurements for all the ingredients. So let's begin cooking. So the last of the ingredients is some olive oil. So we'll add the onions and the scallions. We're supposed to saute them for around 5 minutes. So we are going to add the mushrooms. So we'll cook them for around 5 minutes. That is until they are tender and aromatic. Now we'll add the prosciutto. The salami, and we cook it for a minute or two. You're going to season with the salt, the pepper, and the paprika. We add the asparagus. Then we turn off the heat, so we let it cool so that we can mix it with the eggs. So as we wait for the mixture to cool, let's mix the eggs, and then we stir in the grated cheese, Parmigiano. Then what else do we put inside? So the next thing will be the mixture, so that we can finish with the parsley, the chive, and the hemp hearts. Yeah, it's our mixture, guys. Hey. Then we add the chives, the parsley, and the hemp hearts. Then we mix. Then from here we shall distribute the mixture evenly into a prepared muffin tin. And the recipe says that we shall fill almost to the top. Then we bake for 30 minutes or until the muffins are firm to touch. Yeah. Why are you falling down? Yes. So here we are, guys. As you can see, I had to take another muffin tin to put what had been left, because I think if I fill more than that they will overflow. So let's bake them for 30 minutes. So guys, our protein packed egg muffins are ready, and they are definitely firm to the touch. That's what the book says. So thank God I decided to pick the other one, because you see the way they are full, I would have messed up. So guys, let me test for you. Yay! The kitchen is smelling really nice. Really, really nice. Time to taste our protein packed egg muffins. The smell in the kitchen is wow. Kitchen smells really nice. So let me taste this. It's a bit hot, eh? Ah, yes. It smells really nice. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I knew it. I knew it. I knew from the beginning that this would not disappoint. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, if you're looking for a protein packed breakfast, this is it for you. This is it for you. Try this recipe immediately. The beauty of this recipe is you're not going to look for Claudia's cookbooks. This is the website, so you go to the website. I'll put a link in the description for this particular recipe. Click that link, check out the recipe, and guys, try this out. This is so good. The recipe says that this is good for meal prep. I think I told you that in the beginning. So once they have cooled completely, you can put them in the freezer and store them for longer. So if you're looking to meal prep breakfast and you're looking for a protein packed breakfast, try this one. Try this one, guys. It tastes really, really nice. But also you can put it in the fridge for a few days. Yes, that's what the recipe says. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get to try out this particular recipe and try out other recipes from that particular website, or let me know what recipe you want me to try out for you guys in the website and in the recipe in the website, and I will do that for you. Also in any of Claudia's books, whichever recipe you see and you want me to try it out, let me know in the comment section. That's it for today, guys. God bless you. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. Let me go and enjoy my protein packed egg muffin, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.